What's up everybody, welcome to a new video, and today we will take a look on APE because this coin is for the past couple of days pumping absolutely like crazy. You can see that from this low to this high we did here a pump around like 150%, and if we take a look on a longer time frame you can see that in the long time perspective this coin is still really undervalued. So if you are interested about the exact trades that I'm planning to take here, of course if certain conditions are met, then definitely watch this video till the end. Before this video continues, I just want to let you know that this YouTube channel is directly connected with my Discord trading group, where I am sharing everyday analysis on the altcoins that I'm currently watching. So if you are interested in that, you can check it out, and link to join is in the description or in the comments. Let's start today on a daily time frame. You can see that during the last pump we broke this previous really important resistance, which is between levels 1.388 and 1.317, and right now we are having here like a perfect support confirmation. So if there will be a support confirmation, there will be, in my opinion, another opportunity for a huge pump. The reason why I want to wait here for that support confirmation is that historically this was like an really important resistance, and we were under this level for let's say, I don't know, like 200 days approximately, something like that, which is quite a lot. Next important resistance is this and this bearish order block, and this area is between levels 2.68 and 2.02. so if there will be a perfect support confirmation, then you can use it as a potential long entry. Stop loss in this case you want to place just under this resistance area, because if there will be breakdown with a resistance confirmation, then the price is probably going down, so you don't want to hold your losing position longer than it's necessary. And your last take profit target you want to place above these areas, because if we are gonna test them, there is, in my opinion, pretty high probability that we are gonna stake a liquidity above those areas. Of course, in this trade you want to take multiple take profit targets. So some of the profits you, for example, want to take like under these previous lows, then under this previous high, then of course above this first bearish order block, which is between levels 2.13 and 2.02, because there is still some probability of a liquidity grab, which means that we are gonna take liquidity above, and then the market can reverse back down. If we get back to entry, this is really important, because if you will open here that long position with a perfect support confirmation around the level approximately 1.408, then this will be a trade with potential risk to report like 12.75. so even if you will take multiple take profit targets, the risk reward ratio is gonna be like 8-9, something like that, which is absolutely crazy. But if you will open, for example, a long position around like these levels, then the potential stop loss is like almost 16% of a net market, which is giving you risk reward ratio only 4.7. so if you will take multiple take profit targets, the risk reward ratio is going to be like 3.2, something like that, which is like not that great. So me personally, I will open here a long position only if we will see here at least nearly perfect support confirmation. So let's say support confirmation at least with risk reward ratio like 9, ideally 10, 11, something like that, but with a risk reward ratio 9, which will be approximately level like 1.446, then I will be opening here a long trade. And if you want to know about all the trades that I'm taking, then definitely don't forget to join my Discord trading group, and link to join is in the description or in the comments. Before we will take a look on a lower time frame, I want you to see here this massive breakout that we had here on a weekly time frame. So this falling wedge were forming around like 805 days, which is absolutely crazy. So there is like absolutely zero surprise that after a breakout we had here a huge pump. So congratulations to everybody who took this move, and I think right now that this coin is definitely far from over, and there is, in my opinion, pretty high probability that with some retest this coin will continue with its pump at least like to this previous high, so at least around to like level 6.26 and 4.50, something like that, which still will be a pump from the current level around like 150 to like 300%, something like that, which is still a room for a great pump. So yeah, as I said, if we will take a look on like higher time frame, we just broke this massive falling wedge. This is, in my opinion, like super important bullish news. So I will be only thinking here about a long potential trade on this coin. Let's now take a look on the 4-hour chart. Here you can see we had a perfect support confirmation. So again, congratulations to everybody who took this, because like from this perfect support confirmation, this position is already in profit in like 12-13% of a net market, something like that. But I'm still waiting here on that support confirmation on a daily time frame. But if this coin will continue with its pump, because there is of course like zero guarantee that we are gonna see the support confirmation on a daily time frame, then you should definitely check this bearish order block, which is between levels 1.68 and 1.632. And if there will be breakout with the support confirmation, then this can be another opportunity for a long trade. You can see that the support confirmation here is extremely important, and you can see that like you don't want to buy the breakout itself. Because for example, with this previous candle, we broke this bearish order block, but we just took a liquidity above. So the liquidity here is already taken. And if we will right now do here a support confirmation, this will be, in my opinion, really good opportunity for a long trade. Stop loss, in this case, you want to place under this bearish order block, because again, if we will see here breakdown with the resistance confirmation, then the price is probably going down, so you don't want to hold your losing position longer than it's necessary. And your last take profit target, you can, for example, place like above this previous high, because this is, in my opinion, the next area where we are gonna go for a liquidity grab. And if we will take a look on that weekly time frame, you can see that like this move, there is like really, in my opinion, high probability that we are gonna like take the liquidity above, because in the long time perspective, this still will be a small pump, and this trade can give you risk reward ratio up to 13.32. So if you will take multiple take profit targets, which I think you definitely should, because some of the profits you, for example, want to take like under this previous high, then under and above this bearish order block, because this bearish order block is between levels 2.029 and 1.98, and you want to take some liquidity under, because this will be an important resistance. And also you want to take some of the profits like for a scenario that there will be a liquidity grab above. Then some of the profits you should take like somewhere around these areas, which is like 2.25 and 2.14, and then you should save some back to a last take profit target. So in the end, the risk reward ratio is gonna be like 10-9 from like 13.3, something like that, which is another absolutely amazing setup. As you can see, this coin is forming right now a lot wonderful setups, but right now I am not planning to open here like any of my new positions, because as I said, I want certain conditions to be met, and if the setups that I showed you in this video won't be met, then I'm simply not planning to open here any of my trading position, because trading is always about patience and you want to wait for a perfect setup. And if you, for example, want to help with trading, or if you simply want to copy my exact trades, or if you want to know about all the interesting altcoins that I'm watching right now, then definitely don't forget to join my Discord trading group, where I am sharing all of this stuff, and link to join is in the description or in the comments. And if you want to know about my new YouTube videos as soon as possible, also I will be really happy if you consider subscribe to this YouTube channel. But yeah guys, thanks again for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one. See ya.